Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube Shorts zero view problem. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these steps. And basically, I've done some research and it doesn't seem to be some specific reason or some direct solution for this problem. And basically, it's only your shorts getting shadow banned. And even if you go to support articles or any other articles, you won't have or you won't see some direct reason or some specific reason for this problem. And there are many things that you will find or many tips that you would find. And basically one of these is, for example, for your YouTube shorts, you will need to start using tags, etc. So basically you will be needing just to go to your content in YouTube Studio and then try to go to your settings or I mean to edit your the problem shorts, and basically you will be needing to add some titles. And in some articles I've seen that the title is very important. It's really matter, and you will need to have some titles that will appear or that will have more search results, and so it can be pushed into the feed, etc. Also you will be needing like to make sure your visibility of course to be public, etc. And another thing is to add tags. And basically most of post or the article says that the tags are very important, and you would need just to use, for example, tags that are trending or that are very used by many people, and basically just choose for tags that are used in shorts that has many view, etc. And there are also some articles that says it's better like to stop posting for a while and focus, for example, on regular videos and stop posting for the shorts for a period of time and then start posting again, and of course by using the same techniques like tags and having a pin title and some description, etc., and then you will have your problem fixed. So those are the tips that you can start trying. Thank you for watching and see you next time.